Suddenly, they made me sit in this. I'm very tired. I don't know why I came and sat in this thing. It gives a good view, but then you don't want to do it when you are tired, isn't it? Perhaps with this comes, you can see this, just something to keep my leg, that's it, and something to sit on. So if you don't care about your life, you can also sit in this. Okay, cool. So I think they go all the way to the end, take a U-turn and come back. So I'll just record as much as possible before the battery goes down. That's the dam, and all these seats are almost empty. That means some more people usually tried, I think so. And perhaps you can see the mountain in the background. I don't know, I cannot move my hand around with a small setup, so this much is what I can show you, isn't it? I don't want to risk it, to put it bluntly. Perhaps you remember I was walking sometimes back in that. See some lovers, they are enjoying, I think so. Oh, one more. And you can see the waterways all the way. It was threatening. When you stand close to the water, you will feel how threatening it is. We think it's water, but it's furious, isn't it? Nature is furious, and we put a dam and make it even more furious. You can see the railings. Can you? Rotating. I think that's what keeps. Oh, particularly when it crosses this tower sort of thing. Like jumping on 2-3 speed breakers, and you don't like speed breakers when you ride a bike. And think about this, you don't want speed breakers here, isn't it? See, someone is seeing me. See the waterways. It should be like this. Below us it should be ocean, so we don't feel the. See, two lovers, they are seeing at the non-existing moon. I think so. Oh. I think this is the most interesting part in this cable car. Directly you are on the top of a stream, followed by this. And you can see the boats and the bridge. There is one more bridge there. See, there is a bridge here. And there is a bridge there, 2 bridges. So just a hanging bridge, so you feel the bump. I hope the boating adds even more to its beauty. I don't know. I think it goes all the way to the end and comes back. Just going to record as much as possible so that we are not going to come. Hi. I said hi. I think it's going to. What I showed you from the bottom of the, that's what you see here from this rope car or cable car or whatever you call it. So see, this is the, what you see is the other end of this station. So it goes inside, hi, takes a U-turn, okay, some audience, it takes a U-turn and then comes back. Okay, this is the most comfortable position, so you can follow, nothing happens. Oh my god, see this complex thing. This complex thing controls us, isn't it? You can see the road right beneath you with all the cars, and then road followed by bushes, and then a stream of water, and then more bushes. You can see a stream of water here, and then more bushes. I think from here you can see all the rope cars. I think so, about this. You can see the boat firing through the water, and someone is using the boat. I don't know who is that, but they said it's not ready to be used. You can see the mountains far away. If you are even more adventurous, you can go and climb that instead of just sitting here. come to the end of this video. If you like the video, please subscribe and select bell button option all to receive new video updates. Thanks for watching.